Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bremer Bank using your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into your Bremer Bank account using your mobile device, you can open up your Bremer Bank application, or you can also visit your web browser and type in www.bremer.com and search. Right after you do that, you'll end up in the homepage of Bremer Bank. At the upper right-hand corner, you should see a login button. Tap it on, and in the pop-up at the bottom, choose your account type. Choose whether you'd like to log into your personal banking or your business banking or even your wealth management account. Pick one of the options and then right under where it says Online System, tap on the drop-down and select your online banking or your mobile banking or any other option that you'd like to log in with. If you're not enrolled for online banking yet, you can tap on Enroll in Online Banking link right beneath the login button. Follow the instructions in order to enroll for online banking. Finally, after choosing your account type, tap on the login button. This will take you to the next page where you'll be able to enter your user ID. Make sure to type in your user ID correct while logging into your account. Now, after you are done, tap on Continue, but if you've forgotten your user ID, you can tap on this link right beneath the Continue button that says Forgot your user ID. Tapping on Continue will take you to a next page. Here you'll need to go ahead and continue with the security code in order to log into your account. Tap on Continue with security code. On the next page, choose whether you'd like to receive a phone call with the security code or a text message. Choose any one option. In my case, I'm going to use this text message option and tap Continue. On the next page, select your country or your region from the drop-down and type in your mobile number. After you're done, tap on Send Text Message and you'll receive a one-time code on your mobile number that you just typed in. Once you receive it, simply type it in the next page and you'll be logged into your Bremer Bank account using your mobile device. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.